27 MLAs from Manipur are expected to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss about forming a new government amid the imposition of President's rule in the state. According to a report, some of the MLAs are currently camping in Delhi to take permission to meet Prime Minister and Home Minister. However, NPP Manipur President Y. Joy Kumar along with NPP MLA denied knowing about the matter and also denied that about demanding the central government to form a popular government. On the other hand, 7 MLAs met with Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla at Raj Bhavan yesterday. In a press release, Raj Bhavan highlighted that the MLAs, namely Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo, Langthabal MLA Karam Sham, Konthojam MLA and former Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Hill Areas Committee Chairman and Nungba MLA Dinganglung Dipu Gangmei, Patsoy MLA Sapam Kunjeshwar and Lamlai MLA Khumpantabam Ibomcha brought up various issues in public interest during the meeting.